Auditboard Software Review. Best audit software. Audit and compliance work is complex, and most teams struggle with scattered tools and spreadsheets. Auditboard claims to solve that, but does it really? Let's break it down honestly. Auditboard is a cloud-based platform designed for internal audit, risk management, and compliance teams. It centralizes workflows, documentation, and reporting into one system. One major strength is visibility. Auditboard provides real-time dashboards that show audit progress, risks, and issues clearly. Managers can instantly see what's overdue and what's complete. Another big advantage is collaboration. Teams can assign tasks, upload evidence, and leave comments in one place. You won't believe how much time this saves compared to endless email threads. Auditboard also integrates well with other business tools, making data collection and reporting smoother. For large organizations, this reduces manual errors and improves consistency. Now for the downsides. Most people get this wrong by assuming Auditboard is plug and play. Setup requires planning and training. Smaller teams may find it overwhelming at first. Pricing is another consideration. Auditboard is not cheap, and it's best suited for mid-sized to large organizations with dedicated audit functions. The surprising truth is that Auditboard isn't just software. It changes how teams work, for better or worse, depending on adoption. If your organization needs structure, visibility, and scalability, Auditboard is one of the best audit platforms available. Subscribe for more honest enterprise software reviews.